Hey there, and welcome to Word Journey English, your cozy corner for learning English through stories, every day, all day. I'm Lafisha, and I'm so happy you're here. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up your skills, this channel is your place to listen, relax, and grow your English step by step. We'll explore fun stories, real-life conversations, and useful phrases that you can use right away. So grab a cup of tea, hit play, and let your word journey begin. Don't forget to subscribe and join me on this adventure, one word at a time. So today's story about a man. Tom was a young man. He lived in a small apartment in the city. Every day, he woke up at 7 a.m. He liked his quiet mornings. Tom opened his eyes. The sun was shining through the window. Birds were singing outside. He stretched and sat up in bed. He said to himself, "It's Monday, a new week." Tom stood up and walked to the bathroom. He brushed his teeth. He washed his face with cold water. It made him feel awake. After that, he went to the kitchen. He made breakfast. 2 slices of toast, a fried egg, and a hot cup of coffee. He sat at the table and ate slowly. He enjoyed the warm food and quiet time. Then, Tom looked at the clock. It was 8 a.m. Time to go to work. He picked up his bag, phone, and keys. He put on his jacket and shoes. But he forgot one important thing: his wallet. Tom walked outside. The air was cool and fresh. People were walking, riding bikes, or waiting for buses. He smiled and nodded at a neighbor. "Good morning, Mr. Lee," he said. Mr. Lee smiled back. "Morning, Tom. Have a good day." Tom arrived at the bus stop. A young girl was playing with her backpack. An old man was reading a newspaper. Tom waited quietly. He felt good. It was a nice day. The bus arrived at 8:15 a.m. Tom got on and looked for a seat. He found one near the window. He looked outside. He saw shops, trees, dogs, and people walking. A woman sat next to him. She looked tired. "Good morning," she said softly. Tom smiled. "Good morning." They didn't talk much. Tom just looked out the window, thinking about his work day. He didn't know his wallet was not in his bag. At 9 a.m., Tom arrived at the office. He worked at a small company. His job was to help with emails and phone calls. He said hello to his coworkers. "Hi, Sarah." "Morning, Alex." He sat at his desk. He turned on his computer. He checked his calendar and wrote some notes. Everything felt normal. Then he got a text message from his friend, Sam. "Sam, lunch today? I'm near your office." Tom: "Sure. Let's meet at the cafe at 12:30. Tom smiled. He liked lunch with Sam. They always had fun talking. At 12:30, Tom walked to the cafe. It was a small place with tasty food. He saw Sam sitting near the window. "Hey, Tom." Sam waved. "Hey, Sam. Good to see you." They ordered burgers, fries, and iced tea. They laughed and talked about work, movies, and plans for the weekend. After eating, the waiter brought the check. Tom opened his bag. He reached inside for his wallet. His smile disappeared. "Oh no," Tom said. "What's wrong?" Sam asked. "My wallet. It's not here." Tom looked again. He checked all the pockets. Gone. Tom felt nervous. His hands were shaking. "I had it yesterday," he said. "I bought groceries." Sam looked at him. "Maybe it fell out on the bus." Tom shook his head slowly. "I don't remember taking it out." He felt a little embarrassed. "Don't worry," Sam said. "I'll pay today." "Thank you," Tom said. "I'm so sorry." "It's okay," Sam smiled. "You do the same for me." Tom walked back to work, but he felt distracted. He couldn't stop thinking about his wallet, his ID, his bank card, his library card, even a small photo of his dog, Max. He sat at his desk, but he couldn't focus. He checked his bag again. Still no wallet. "I need to go home after work," he thought. "Maybe it's on the table." At 5 p.m., Tom ran home. He opened the door quickly. He checked the kitchen. He checked the bedroom. He checked the couch. Nothing. He looked under the table, behind the TV, even in the trash. Still nothing. His heart felt heavy. "I really lost it," he whispered. Tom sat down and took a deep breath. Then he picked up his phone. He called the city bus office. A woman answered, "Hello, this is City Bus Services."
Hi, Tom said.
"I think I lost my wallet on a bus this morning." She asked for details. "What does it look like?" "It's black with a zipper. It has my ID and some cards." "What time were you on the bus?" "Around 8:15 a.m., bus number 32, I think."
Please wait, she said.
Tom waited. 1 minute. 2 minutes. His heart was beating fast. The woman came back on the phone. "Good news," she said. "We found a wallet that matches your description." Tom stood up. "Really? That's great." "Yes," she said. "It's safe with us. You can pick it up tomorrow." "Thank you so much," Tom said, smiling wide. "You're very welcome." Tom hung up the phone. He felt so happy and light. He even danced a little. The next day, Tom went to the bus station. He showed his ID. They gave him the wallet. He opened it and checked everything. His money was there. His cards were safe. And the photo of Max was still inside. Tom smiled. "Thank you," he said to the staff. "You're welcome," they said. "Have a great day." Tom walked outside. The sun was shining again. From that day on, Tom changed one thing. Every morning, before he left the house, he checked his things.
Phone, keys,
Wallet. He even made a small sign on his door. "Do you have your wallet?" He never forgot it again. Thanks so much for listening and spending time with me today on Word Journey English. I hope you enjoyed the story and picked up some new words along the way. Remember, every day you listen, you're one step closer to fluency. So keep going, stay curious, and come back anytime for more stories and English fun. Until next time, this is Lafisha, wishing you a happy and confident word journey. Bye for now and see you soon.